Hello, my name is Tessa Kemelhar, and this is my Pastry for Positivity Baking Club project titled Baking is Love. I'm a junior at Orange High School who loves to bake and who is also interested in the immense field of mental health. Daily at school, I strive to uplift others and always lend a hand, mostly through my baking. Some background information on why I wanted to start this club is a study by NYU examined how students are chronically dealing with stress in their high schools, and I wanted to have a better understanding of how students at my high school are coping with it. This led to the development of my underlying problem. In what ways might I develop a creative outlet to reduce stress so that students at OHS can relax through a shared community? Through the development of my action plan, I outlined 6 main goals. When determining the steps of my action plan, I was able to maintain these goals and accomplish all of them. Here are more of my goals that I accomplished and some pictures. Many of our participants find emotional value in this club. When asked how the Pastry for Positivity Baking Club has helped to provide a creative outlet, reduce stress, and relax through a shared community, 2 members shared these meaningful quotes, signifying why Baking Club is a necessity at our school. For awareness and support, the Baking Club has had support from many teachers and administrative people at our building. On the left is a letter from our principal, Mr. Hogue, signifying why Baking Club is important at our school and why it is a necessity, creating happiness and relieving symptoms of anxiety and stress. At the bottom of the letter is an approval from Mr. Hogue that Baking Club will be an official club next year, as it was just a pilot this year, a pilot club. Here are the meetings we've had this school year, my favorite being creating a recipe book to share with the classes and the school that highlights Mental Health Awareness Month in May. So, mainly, why do I love Baking Club? Baking has always played an important role in my life, whether it's been for my family or at school. It has helped my mental health immensely, and so creating the club is just a reminder for myself to keep going. Baking Club fosters many different types of relationships, whether that be friends, siblings, or improving relationships with teachers, and so much more. The ingredients of the Pastry for Positivity Club have combined into a sweet and nurturing environment that continues to flourish. And here are some of our pictures from our club meetings, from our posters, and some of my favorite recipes that I've shared in the newspaper and throughout our club. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you for your consideration of my project.